What life looks like now, very happy, less stressful. I'm able to conduct business while I'm on vacation, while I'm at home. It doesn't have to be so stressful for me anymore. My name is Tahnesha Irvin. I operate private salon suites located in Richmond, Virginia. My company specializes in creating spaces for entrepreneurs to thrive in their own business. Currently in our portfolio, we have 22 units. I became a property manager to give others the opportunity to grow their business as an entrepreneur and to grow my business as well. I actually found DoorLoop online searching for different software to use to manage our property. I actually switched to DoorLoop because it made my job so much easier keeping up with tenants. I did not have to collect money. I didn't have to do a lot of paperwork. It just made everything so much simpler just to click and post payments. Before using DoorLoop, we used a lot of different old school methods, writing things down through different apps. We had money coming in different ways, whether it was from Cash App, Zelle. It was different methods that took up a lot of time. My favorite feature with DoorLoop is the option to see everything from my phone. I can see who's paid late, who's on time, or if anyone has service requests. I also love the accounting features where we're able to see P&L and also year-to-date numbers. Compared to other property software that I've used in the past, DoorLoop is very up-to-date, has a lot of different features, and it's very easy to use. The one piece of advice I would offer to other property managements is to get the DoorLoop app. It saves a lot of time, it takes away a lot of stress, and it's super easy. I would definitely say DoorLoop has changed our business and my life tremendously. I'm able to sleep at night. I don't have to worry about checks and balances before I go to bed in the evening. It's very impressive when we bring in new tenants. They're very impressed by the fact that they can do everything from their phone or from an app. It's just a simple click and everything is taken care of.